Welcome back to the course of Digital Electronics. Today we are going to discuss about BCD subtraction using 9s and 10s complement method. In practice, subtraction is performed by the complement method. Now we will see some rules. The rule 1 is we have to follow the procedure of r minus 1s and r's complement, and rule number 2 is we have to follow the rules of BCD addition. Now look at this example, 305.5 minus 168.8. We have to perform in BCD by the 9's complement. Now we know that we have to take the 9's complement of the subtrahend, which is 831.1, and we have to add this 9's complement of the subtrahend to the minute. Now if you observe that after addition there is a carry, we know that if there is a carry, okay, the result is positive, and this carry should be added to the LSB position because it is a 9's complement. Is it clear? Now what is the result? 136.7. Now we will look out this example in BCD. 305.5, okay, expressed in BCD. 831.1, which is the 9's complement of this subtrahend. Now if you observe that after performing an addition, there is no carry from this group and the sum is a legal one, and here also no carry, legal code, no carry, legal code, but here no carry, but it is an illegal code. That's why we have to add 6 here. After adding this, if you observe that there is a carry here, we know that if carry is generated, result is positive. We have to add this carry in the LSB position. Now if you look out this example 136.7, is it clear? We will look out one more example here, okay? Now look at this example 679.6 minus 885.9. Take the 9's complement of the subtrahend, which is 114.0. Add this 114.0 to the minute. Now if you observe that there is no carry, we know that since no carry, result is negative and it is in the 9's complement form. That means we have to perform 9's complement to get the exact result, which is minus 206.3. Now perform this in BCD. Now if you observe the 679.6 expressed in BCD, 114.0, which is the 9's complement of the subtrahend, is expressed in BCD. Now if you observe that no carry, legal code, no carry, but it is an illegal code, we have to add 6 here. Okay, no carry, legal code, no carry, legal code. After performing addition, okay, if you observe that there is no carry, we know that if there is no carry, we know that the result is negative, and to get the exact result we have to perform the 9's complement to this. We know that 793.6. if you observe here also 793.6. okay, now look at this example. We have to perform in BCD by the 10's complement. Now we have to take the 10's complement of the subtrahend. How to get the 10's complement? First of all, we have to find out the 9's complement, which is the 9's complement of the subtrahend. By adding 1 in the LSB position, we will get the 10's complement of the subtrahend. Then after getting the 10's complement of the subtrahend, we have to add to the minute. After adding to the minute, if you observe there is a carry, we know that if carry is generated, result is positive, but it is a r's complement, that is 10's complement, we have to ignore the carry. What is the result? Means 233.8. Now if you look out in the BCD, 342.7 expressed in BCD. Now 891.1, which is the 10's complement of the subtrahend. After adding this, if you observe that no carry, legal code, no carry, legal code, no carry, but it is an illegal code, we have to add 6 here. No carry, but it is an illegal code, we have to add 6 here. After performing addition, if you observe that there is a carry, we know that if carry is generated, result is positive, but don't forget, since it is a 10's complement, we have to ignore the carry. Is it okay? Now look at this example 206.4 minus 507.6. okay, do this example by your own. Okay, this is the calculation here, this is the calculation here. Okay, do this example by your own. Now we will go back to the XS3 code, which is the BCD code plus we have to add 3 extra here. Now we will see the XS3 arithmetic, that means XS3 addition. To add in XS3, we have to add the XS3 numbers by adding the 4-bit groups in each column starting from the least significant digit. Similarly, we are having 2 rules here. The first rule is if there is no carry, we have to subtract 3. If there is a carry, we have to add 3. Is it clear? Now look at this example 37 plus 28. 37 plus 28 is 65. Now 3. Okay, we have to add 1 extra 3 here. Then it is expressed in 6. Expressed as 6. Then 7 we have to add extra 3. Then it is expressed as 10. Then 2 we have to add extra 3. That becomes 5. 8 we have to add extra 3, that becomes 11. Now this is the XS3 of 37, this is XS3 of 28. We have to perform addition. Then if you observe that 0 plus 1 1, then 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, then 1, then sum 0 carry 1. If carry is generated, we have to add 3 here. Okay, then sum 0 carry 1, sum 0 carry 1, sum 1 carry 1, 1. If we know that if carry is not generated, we have to subtract 3 here. That means 1 plus 1 some 0 carry 1, some 0 carry 1, some 0 carry 1 1. Then if you observe the 0 minus 1 difference 1 borrow 1, then 0 minus 1 difference 0 borrow 1, 1 minus 1 difference 0 borrow 0, then 1 minus 0 difference 1 borrow 0. Now if you observe that, which is what 9, and if you observe that, which is what 8. Now if you look out this 6 5, 6 plus 3 becomes 9, 5 plus 3 becomes 8. That means it is the excess3 of 65. Similarly, if you look out this example, 247.6 plus 359.4, okay, what is the answer? 607.0. Now I have expressed in excess3, 2 becomes 5, 4 becomes 7, 7 becomes 10, 6 becomes 9, then similarly 3 becomes 6, 5 becomes 8, 9 becomes 12, and 4 becomes 7. Now if you observe that there is a carry, I have added 6 here, sorry, I have added 3 here. There is a carry, I have added 3 here, there is a carry, I have added 3 here. Here if you observe that there is no carry, therefore I have subtracted 3 here. Now if you look out this, it is becomes 9, it becomes 3, it becomes what? 10, it becomes 3. Now if you look out this, 6 plus 3, 9, 0 plus 3, 0, 3, 7 plus 3 is 10, then 0 plus 3 is 3. In this manner you have to perform excess3 addition. Now to perform excess3 subtraction, the rule is, if there is no borrow, add 3. If there is a borrow, subtract 3. Exactly opposite one. Now if you look out 267.175, which is 092, then 2, that means 5, 6 becomes 9, 7 becomes 10. Now 1 becomes 4, 7 becomes 10, 5 becomes 8. If you observe that there is no borrow here, if there is no borrow, we have to add 3. Here we are having borrow, we have to subtract 3. Here we do not have any borrow, we have to add 3. If you look out this 3, okay, this becomes 12, this becomes 5. 0 plus 3, 3, 9 plus 3, 12, 2 plus 3, 5. Now look out this example, try to do by your own. 57.6 minus 27.8. Try to do by your own. Don't forget the rule, no borrow, add 3, borrow, subtract 3. Is it clear? Try to do by your own. Okay, thank you very much. In the next class, we will see the excess3 subtraction.